Hey guys, it's 8:21 today. So all we're going to focus on today is nothing new. It's going to be mixed lateral areas. So here's the objective. Students will be able to apply the formula to find a lateral surface area of three-dimensional figures. So this is a mixed worksheet. We're going to have cylinders, we're going to have cones, we're going to have rectangular prism, triangular prism, and kind of like just summarizing all those different types we spoke about. Now, just before you get into anything, I wanted to take a look and reiterate what lateral area means. So lateral surface area is finding the area of the sides of a three-dimensional geometric figure. The formulas for lateral surface area are based on the base of the figure, whether it's a cone, a prism, or a pyramid, or anything of those sort. Okay, so there's no specific formula, but the cone we saw there was a formula, the cylinder there was a formula, the prism it kind of varies. So we're gonna do one example today. Today I picked this example because I feel like it is the hardest one that we kind of struggle with, especially from Monday's lesson with cone. A couple of us got this incorrect, and you have to be super careful. So it says lateral area of a cone in terms of pi. That's what we're doing. Now here's the shape. Do anyone remember the formula to find the lateral area of a cone from Monday's lesson? Excellent, right? Your lateral area is pi times r, the radius, times the slanted height. Now let's look at this. We know that this is my radius, this is my height, this is my slanted height that I need to find. So this, remember we said the height is always perpendicular, creating a right triangle. So we need to find what r is. So this will be 12 squared plus 5 squared equals r squared. 12 squared is 144, 5 squared is 25. This works out to be 169 equals r squared. I don't know why there's r, it's just there, it's just a variable. Take the square root, this becomes 13 is equal to r. This is the same thing as saying the L, which represents the slanted height. Now when you're going to substitute, right, this is going to be lateral area is equal to pi times r times L, that's just me. I like to rewrite it. Pi times 5 times 13. Now it says in terms of pi, meaning do not enter pi in the calculator. All you're going to do is 5 times 13, which is 65 pi. There's no units given again in this one, so we're just going to say unit square. And that's my final answer. There you go. That's it. Right? Just again, this is our extra step when we're not giving the slanted height. So you know what to do. Just go ahead, complete the couple questions, which is summarizing all the lateral areas that we did from last week and this week, and show me what you got. Show all your work. You know what the deal is. In order to get full credit, we need to show all the work and then submit them on Google Classroom before 8 a.m. tomorrow. There you go. Stay safe, guys.